All right, first graders. So we're going to be reading the sentence patterning chart. What I thought was that we were going to use our phonics words each week and we're going to put them into the different categories that we see. Let's go ahead and start and let's read the article. So I'm going to read each word with you and try to show you an action so you understand. So here at the bottom, when you want to choose your own word, you can make your own sentence, and everyone's going to have a different sentence because you're going to choose the word that you like best from each category. Okay, so let's start with the articles. Remember that the articles, they start with a capital letter and they're the very first word. So we have the, usually we use the when we're talking about one thing, like the dog, the door. Can I say the glasses? Probably not because plural. Okay, remember the we're using when we're talking about a single thing, and a also. Okay, the or a. Then we're gonna read the adjectives. Okay, so the first one we have is frozen, frozen, lazy, lazy, big, big, melted, melted. Like when you eat ice cream outside, it starts to melt. Okay, let's go to the nouns. Guitar, guitar, clover, clover, bacon, bacon, zero, zero. Now let's go to the verbs. Remember, these are action words. Yelled, yelled, slid, slid, celebrated, celebrated, and hopped, hopped. Now let's go to the final part of our sentence in brown, the prepositional phrase. Remember that the prepositional phrases tells us what time it happened or where it happened. Over the fence, over the fence. Under the desk, under the desk. Next to the tree, next to the tree. On top of the sink, on top of the sink. Okay, so remember that your prepositional phrases, they are the last part of your sentence, of your complete sentence, and they usually end with a punctuation mark. Okay, so down here, remember that I showed you last week, you are going to have, these are the words that you can choose from. Okay, choose one word and you're going to write it at the very bottom or on your piece of paper, wherever you're writing. Choose one and you're going to make a complete sentence. So for example, I'm going to choose the big guitar yelled next to the tree. And I'm going to finish it with the period. So imagine a big guitar yelling at next to a tree. So my students used to love making the illustrations and drawing pictures. They would literally draw what they're reading. And so that would make it fun and enjoyable. So I encourage you to do the same. Try to make the silliest sentence and make a picture, make an illustration. So imagine if I drew a big guitar yelling next to a tree. That's funny. And that also shows your understanding. Okay. So go ahead and write your own. Write your own sentence. Practice reading the words. Do your best. See you later.